The Orthodox Studies Center at Fordham is, as you may know, it's unique in all the world. It's the only center for the study of Eastern Orthodox Christian studies that is located in a Jesuit and Catholic university.
I would say what makes the Orthodox Christian Studies Center at Fordham University so unique is it's the first research university to develop a center dedicated to the history, thought, and culture of the Orthodox Christian world.
Because we're in a university, we have a mission to the students to provide ways in which they can faithfully, but yet in a critical way, engage their Orthodox tradition, together with worship, of course.
Scholars are passionate about the center because they see in it a place where we can have dialogue about what Orthodox Christianity means in the world, what it means socially, politically, theologically, and how it's impacted by and impacts different social structures in the United States and the world more broadly.
I think it's really interesting to study Orthodox Christianity with art history, specifically with Byzantine artifacts. You understand art more and you understand culture more if you understand the faith backgrounds that support it.
There's no question that we are well known internationally, especially within ecclesial circles. I think we're known as a place that is trying to promote Orthodox Catholic unity, but even Christian unity more broadly. I think within the Orthodox world, we're definitely known as, and I think provide encouragement to those who want to raise and discuss certain kinds of questions within the church.
One of the things that I like about this center and the way it approaches theology, specifically Orthodox Christian theology and studies in general, is that they do so with a certain boldness. And I like that boldness because it speaks to the fact that orthodoxy is not something which is isolated. It is not something which is frozen in time, but it's indeed a very living, viable study of Orthodox Christianity.
This is one of the only places where Eastern and Western theologians feel at home. They know that we take faith seriously, so they feel at home and they flock to us.
They're very attuned to the place of Christian Orthodoxy, for example, in the modern world, and the implications that go well beyond theology that intersect with politics and social issues.
I see them as the bridge builders. They are building bridges between Orthodoxy and Catholicism, clearly, but also beyond that into the general community.
For us, it's political, it's religious, it's ethnic, it's everything. And having not just Telly and George, but others who are being sponsored to study and evaluate and think about these things is just critical.
It's now becoming more of a global policy issue for us in the United States to understand Orthodox Christianity and people from Orthodox Christian communities.
We started off with high expectations about it, but if anything, they've really exceeded what we expected in terms of what they've already accomplished in this period of time, and we're excited about what's to come.
Having the Orthodox Center here at Fordham is a gift to the world. It is one of the few places where serious conversations between the Eastern and Western churches take place and take place regularly.
And this has been an exciting project for us to watch grow and come to the fruition it has at this point. And I think the future is tremendous.